Kevin from FIT here. I'm going to show you today how to smoke some ribs. So I have here some baby back ribs that I just bought at the grocery store. They came pre-packaged, so I went ahead and took them out, rinsed them off, and I'm going to go ahead and blot it dry here. So I'm going to get as much moisture off of it as I can, just with a paper towel. You can use a cloth or something like that if you want to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, but I just have some paper towels handy, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So once I get that nice and dry here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bitty paring knife here, and I'm going to work to get some of the excess fat off of this guy. So I do want to leave some fat on there because it's going to render down really nicely, but I want to get any excess fat off that I feel like is especially hard fat. I want to get that off. Any sort of big built up spots of fat, I'm going to go ahead and trim that off a little bit, get this meat a little bit leaner. If you trim off a little bit of meat as you trim this up, that's perfectly fine too. You're not going to lose. There's plenty of meat on these ribs. They're pretty big, meaty ribs. So if you trim off a little bit of meat, don't worry too much about it. So after I get the top trimmed off, I'm going to flip it over to the rib side where I can see the actual ribs here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look, there's a little membrane on top of the ribs. And I want to try to get that off, because if I don't, it's going to make them really tough. It's going to make it a little harder to get them to separate as we come to eat them. So you can see here, I found a corner where I can grab this membrane. And I'm going to just do my best to peel it off by hand. And I'm going to get as much of it off as I can just peeling it. And if I get stuck, I can take my little knife here and I can get under there, give it a little cut, give it some slack to work with so I can peel this off. I'm going to peel this off all the way down the ribs. So I want to have that completely gone as much as possible. All right, so I finished getting the membrane off the back of the ribs here. Again, I'm going to trim a little bit of the fat off of the back of these ribs, because I don't want it to be too fatty whenever I get them out. So I'm going to cut a little bit of that fat off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut these in half, just because this rack of ribs is too big to fit in the smoker that I have. So I'm going to cut them about in half. Typically there's about 12 to 13, 14 maybe ribs in each rack. So I'm going to go through and cut that about halfway through, and I'm going to cut right along the inside of one of the ribs so that I leave a lot of meat on one side and it'll be right up against the bone on the other. Cut all the way through. Okay, awesome. So now I got that. I got two manageable sized racks of ribs here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some dry rub on them. So I have some dry rub here that I made a little earlier. In this guy I have a little bit of brown sugar, some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of ground mustard, some cayenne pepper, and a little bit of paprika. So I'll put the recipe for that guy in the description down below. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this, I'm going to apply it pretty liberally to these ribs. So I want to get quite a bit of seasoning all over all these ribs. So take it, just kind of sprinkle it on. I'm just going to rub it in really well here by hand, as much as I can get down pressed on there. And I'm going to rub both sides. So I'm going to rub the meaty side on the top, and then I'm going to flip them over and rub also the back of them really well. Get as much seasoning to stick on there as I possibly can. Flip them over to the other side here. Good. All right, I'm gonna get this other rack rubbed, and then we'll go out to the smoker. Ribs thrown in here. Gonna put on some grates, nice clean grates. Put in some water down in the water pan down there. I'm gonna let these go for about 3 hours at 225 degrees. I have some corn chips in there right now. I have some next to it soaking. You can soak the chips to get a little bit more of a smoke flavor out of them. They tend to last a little longer too while they're in the smoker. So I'm gonna let this guy go for about 3 hours, checking the temperature every once in a while. We're looking for between 165 and 170 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so my ribs have been in here for about an hour and a half at this point. I'm gonna open them up here. I'm gonna add a little more chips to them. You can see they're cooking pretty well. We'll know when they're about done, when these bones start to actually pop out of the corners here. It's like a little natural thermometer there for you. So I'm gonna add some more chips. These are gonna go about another hour and a half. All right, so it's been about 3 hours. So I'm gonna check these guys. We're gonna pull them out and we're gonna take them inside. We're gonna wrap them in some pink butcher's paper here in a second. So you can see they got quite a bit of smoke in there. And they're starting to get some nice coloration to them. So we're gonna take them out and then go inside and wrap them. All right, so I just got these ribs inside here. I've cut some pink butcher's paper into some squares. If you don't have pink butcher's paper, you can use tin foil. Tin foil works just fine. So at this point, the ribs are basically cooked all the way. So all I'm gonna do now is try to get a little bit of moisture into them, get them to cook down completely, get a little bit more of that fat removed. So I'm gonna kind of make a little pouch here, and then I'm gonna dump some beer over the top of them. You can use anything. I just got some fat tire here that I had in my fridge that I'm just gonna use today. So I'm just gonna kind of make like a boat and then kind of dump some moisture in there, and then we'll get them back out in the smoker for another couple hours. All right, so I got these eyes all wrapped up. So I'm gonna take them back out there. We're gonna get them back in the smoker for about another 2 hours. Just kind of let them be. I'm not gonna add any more wood chips at this point. They're done absorbing all of the smoke flavor that they're gonna get. So at this point, we're just gonna keep them cooking. I'm gonna keep the temperature at 225, and we're gonna go for another 2 hours. All right, so I got my ribs here. I just pulled them out of the smoker, get them there for another couple of hours. Still got them wrapped. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna baste them in some barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna throw them back in there for another hour. So I just got some Kinder's organic mild barbecue sauce here. You can pick it up at most grocery stores out here in California. If you'd like to make your own, you can. It's a great alternative. I didn't have time, so I just bought some. Stuff tastes good. So all I'm gonna do is take these out, baste them with a little barbecue sauce, and then put them right back in the smoker. You don't need a whole lot on each one. You just kind of want to cover it a little, put a light coating on it. You can always add more to it later and go to eat it. We're gonna go another hour, maybe 45 minutes, just till we kind of dry out that sauce a little bit and they get a good kind of bark on them. All right, so I just got my ribs out here. As you can see, that sauce is baked on there a little bit. I'm gonna cover them up in some aluminum foil and let them sit for between 30 minutes and an hour just to kind of rest before we dig in. All right, so these guys have been resting for about an hour, so I'm just gonna cut them up here. We're gonna get them on a plate, get some more barbecue sauce on them, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna cut right in between the bones here so that I have some meat on either side and I have a good handle on those bones.